Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva wallpaper. First, open Canva and select Create a Design. You'll want to choose custom dimensions that match your device's screen for the best fit. For example, a common desktop resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This ensures your wallpaper looks crisp and clear without stretching or cropping. Let's get started with setting up your canvas. Now that your canvas is ready, it's time to get creative. You can add a solid background color, upload your own photos, or choose from Canva's extensive library of stock images and videos. Experiment with different fonts and text effects to personalize your message. Don't forget to explore the vast collection of graphic elements, including shapes, lines, and icons, to enhance your design. To make your wallpaper truly stand out, dive into Canva's advanced features. Adjust image brightness, contrast, and saturation using the built-in filters. Utilize the layering tool to arrange elements precisely, bringing some forward and sending others back. You can also incorporate frames and grids to create interesting photo collages or structured layouts, adding depth and professionalism to your design. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to download it. Choose a high-quality format like PNG for the best resolution. After downloading, navigate to your device's display settings. There, you can easily select your new image and set it as your desktop or mobile wallpaper. Congratulations, you've successfully created and applied your custom Canva wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.